In this video, we're going to discuss some of the best techniques you can use to get down steep, tricky downhills. So we're going to start with the beginner technique, which is engine off, put the bike in gear and slip the clutch. You want to have your left foot on the floor and you can use your right foot on the rear brake to slowly crawl down.
Now you can just pull in the clutch and go. You've not made one mistake yet. The bike's not lost control, you're fine. Just here, like you've gone down hills this steep, you can just roll now. Just roll and just gentle on the brake. Both feet on the foot pegs, you got it.
Oh man, that's so scary.
Okay, 1. On 3 you gotta go. 2. Let's go. Send it. Send it. You got this, man.
Yeah, woo!
Nice, bro.
So here, our customer Andy has only been off-roading a couple of times and we told him this beginner technique. Engine off and just use the clutch to slowly roll down.
Andy, is the bike in gear? Is your bike in gear 1?
I think I instinctively,
Pull the clutch in.
yeah, but I'm scared.
When it's steep, just let the clutch out.
So here I asked Andy if he'd accidentally put the bike in neutral because it kept running away from him too fast, where if you're in gear, all you need to do is let go of the clutch and the bike should stop, especially if the hill isn't too
Okay, now it's
steep.
not as steep. I would just turn the engine on and put both feet on the foot pegs if you can. If you feel like you're losing control, take your left foot off the foot peg, but try and keep your right foot on the foot peg and use the rear brake if you need it. It's not so steep now, just be careful of the rocks.
So here you can tell Andy is being a bit too aggressive with the rear brake. You need to use both brakes at the same time and be gentle so you don't skid.
Put your bag, put your foot on the rear brake.
Now when you are more of an advanced rider, you should tackle downhills standing up, using the front and the rear brake gently, and allow your hips to go backwards over the back of the bike. This alleviates the weight and the pressure off the front wheel and the front suspension. Because of downhills, all of the weight is normally on the front tyre, you don't have much control. On downhills where there's a drop off the side, where you look is so crucial. If you're looking over the edge, your bike's probably going to go over the edge or you're going to lose control. So make sure you're looking at the smoothest line and the front tyre will follow your eyes.
Back.
So here this downhill is pretty slippery. It's in the clouds so it's quite greasy and you need to be careful not to use too much front brake. Now on Derek's 500 KTM that brake is so strong so it's really hard not to tuck the front end. Now I'm following Daniel, who's a pretty experienced rider, so I don't have too many constructive criticisms, but look how good his balance is, which is going to massively help you on downhills. Being able to stay both feet on the foot pegs and using your hips to counter lean and make sure that there's traction in the tyres. So when he goes round a left turn, he will shift his hips to the right and that enables those tyres to stick to the ground. Something I notice when I'm following Daniel is his rear wheel never locks up, so that means his bike never goes sideways. If you can be really sensitive and gentle on the rear brake, you can control the speed of the bike without losing control.
Yeah.
Fun,
Best day of my life.
fun trail?
Yeah.
Jack is also an experienced rider, but downhills are his kryptonite. As you can see, he takes it pretty slowly. And one of the techniques he uses is he stays in the rut so he doesn't feel like he's going to go flying off the edge. And it's not a bad technique to use. Sam is really fast on the flowy and fast trails,
Yeah,
but
they
this
get so
downhill
good.
really gave her problems. I'd probably blame the XR150 a little bit. That drum brake is impossible to use on these steep, slippery hills.
Not my finest moment. Make sure you give all the good shit as well. Alright.
And here's me. If you fail
probably
a
could've done
steep
that.
hill climb, this is even harder because you've got to turn the bike down and get back on the bike to go down the hill. But you can use your front wheel and slowly twist it to straighten out the bike, and then you just have to go straight down and make sure that you don't hit the rocks at the bottom too fast. And if you were wondering if that looks steeper because it's on camera, no, it is that steep. All of these clips were taken from our Learn Enduro Vietnam tour in the north of Vietnam. If you think they look fun, then make sure you book on to our next trip coming soon.